everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Nodle Cash, which is a mobile application that is an alternative to Helium Coin, which allows you to earn some coins by only keeping your Bluetooth on. As you can see, we are on the official page of Nodle Cash. If you want more details about this app, you can just search for nodle.io. And all you have to do to start on this app is to make an account, and you will earn Nodle Cash coins when your phone connects and collects data from IoT devices and sensors using Bluetooth Low Energy. The information is then sent back to the owner of the IoT device, but your personal data is not shared. You can find this app both on iOS and Android devices, and it's completely free to download and use. One of the best things about this app is that it's really economical. As you can see, in eco mode, it will consume around 3% of your battery in 24 hours, which is actually a really good amount. And it also works in the background, which is a really good and useful thing because you might need your phone for other things as well, so you don't really have to stay on the app to be able to use it. And as you can see, you can also run the app on multiple devices with the same account, but you need to be really careful so you don't lose your 12-character private key. You need to be really careful about your private key, guys, and I'm not talking only in the context of this app because there are a lot of apps who have private keys, and in case you lose your private key, you will not be able to withdraw or access your earnings, which is not a good thing. So I would recommend you guys to kind of note it down somewhere and keep it safe. To understand better, there are increasingly more and more IoT devices with sensors all around us which need to transfer data back to their owners but only have Bluetooth radios in them. The Nodle Cash basically uses the Bluetooth radio in your phone to connect to these IoT devices as you walk by and securely transfers the IoT data from Bluetooth to LTE to whatever company owns the IoT device. The app tracks how much data your phone transfers for the IoT devices and awards your account with Nodle Cash accordingly. Also, the amount of each award is dependent on many variables, such as quality of connection, how much data is transferred, value of the IoT device in question, and many more. So basically, to get started with this app, all you have to do is just create a username, a password, turn on Bluetooth and your phone settings, and start earning Nodle Cash. And that's it, guys. I would like to give a final disclaimer. In case you are the type of person who wants instant and big results, I will have to break it down to you. This app is not it, because this is more like a long-term type of thing. And that's about it for today, guys. Hope this video was useful in some sort of way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And in case you have any questions or video suggestions, you can just leave them in the comments down below. I will check every single comment, and until next time, I hope you have an amazing day.